Amen. Come on, we want to father that a wrong decision in the house. After the situation wrong, hey, I mean, we're suffering consequences. Was telling them fast. How do you say to you, I will fast? It's a Pazamil. Amen. It's a Pazamil. Nobody too. Because now you're on the other side. Because we're Napa. Go to Napa. There's Napa. Umi and Gapi girl. What kind of some shaggy speed to Fawa? Balega David. Because Napa, my daughter, he come away like about two. I know the two. Come on, I'm going to tell you that this is dome entry. For must be consequences in Zim. For nigga town fast. When you see it's a thing as a daughter, and the husband is fucking with. Cut and the husband has to get us to get you in one. Because it's Cabezas Tatayo. Sister is fucking with. Can you nobody be rude to women? It's fucking with. But can you going to buy two? It's a Gabanya. Love always hopes, always perseveres. Never fails. Careful Isaiah 54 verse 10. For the mountains may depart, and hills disappears. But even then, I will remain loyal to you. That's marriage. That's marriage. Unchal is not cheap.